Our today's topic is boost your coding speed by 2x. Stop wasting time. Let's use AI tools that automate your workflow. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I'm PABITRA and we're watching Learn Something with PABITRA. So let's start. In this period of time, we are facing a common problem, which is spending too much time on repetitive tasks, struggling with debugging. So we can fix these problems by using AI. So in this video, we will see how we can solve these problems. So let's start the video. I'm sure before watching this video, most of you are using ChatGPT and Gemini to develop something or generating codes. So using development using AI not only means that you just use ChatGPT or Gemini to do your codes. So this means doing repetitive tasks which you can do, but if you want to do that task, then you waste your lots of time. So that to save that time, you use a AI tool which will do that repetitive task, and you can focus on your most important tasks which give you some value, or some creative tasks. You can spend your time there, not in the repetitive tasks which you can do by using AI tools. So for that, we have some tools like Cursor AI and Copilot and many other tools which can help you in your code ID by analyzing your code files. They can help you to debug the code and do the repetitive tasks in your ID. So let's see an example of it. So you can see here I am using this VS Code, and in this VS Code I have one option which is called Copilot. So I open this Copilot and you can see the Copilot bar is here, and I can do the repetitive task and debug the code by using this sidebar or Copilot's bar. So in this Visual Studio Code, it is Copilot, and you need to first log in or sign in this Copilot, means in the GitHub account. Then you can use this Copilot. And here I am opening this script.js file in a project. So you can see here it automatically identify the current file which is opened, which is script.js. And if I give him a command like debug this file, debug this file, so it starts debugging, means in my code directory, project directory code file, it can analyze the code and find out the mistakes and which I need to improve. So you can use like this AI, and you can extend your productivity, which will save you lots of times. And also you can do something repetitive task which you need to do most of the time, but you can do by using the chat AI tools like Copilot. So it will save you lots of times. Here it is providing me some fixes and a new addition in this program file, code file, so that we can do the best way to do code efficiency and time complexity. Most of things it can remember and keep in mind and share some effective codes. So you can use this kind of tools, AI tools, to improve your productivity and go faster, do faster tasks than other developers do, and you will be far away from the developers who are using only ChatGPT or Gemini. You can use this Copilot or Cursor AI, then you can see a massive time saving in your day life, and you can see that your productivity is much more higher than day by day. Okay, so I think this will help you a lot. If you want a detailed video on Copilot, then you can comment below, and if you comment below, then I will create a full video or detailed video on this Copilot. So thanks for today, and we will come back with a new topic. So for that, like our video if you like this video, then, and comment below for the next video, which is going to be detailed Copilot video, and subscribe our channel to get the next videos. Thank you.